Data Editor has simple yet powerful filter tool that allows you to search records easy. Press CMD plus F to get the green line of the filter tool. Let's see search by a numeric field. Enter some value to find and press CMD plus E to execute the search. The same shortcut is used in SQL Editor to execute query. Now you see records that match query. Query itself you can see in the tooltip over filter icon. To see all records again, click the filter icon. Notice that icon has now the small minus. You can specify equals before value. The result will be the same. To execute query you can click the filter button with green check mark. To remove a green line of filter, click cross icon in the first column. To find range of values you can use operators greater than equals, less than equals. Also you can write more complex expressions on a single field also. Notice that for the second expression you must specify the field name. You can use $ instead of the field name. Also, you can use the between of SQL. For string values you can type few letters to get contain search, using like %text%. You can start with like to provide other forms of text search. You can do also range search for strings. For a Boolean field, you can use or 0-1 search or use true-false. To search records with null or not null, use syntax. You can also use such kind of expressions in a filter cell. When you see in a cell some value, which you want to use for filter of records, you can just right-click that cell and choose Add Filter Row with Cell Value command. You will see a new filter row with this value assigned to that field. Note that the filter is not yet applied. You will need to execute filter command yet. Command filter by cell value is even bigger optimization. Because it does the same, adds a new filter row with the value of a cell, but also executes filter immediately. To create a filter with two or more conditions, select a cell in the filter row, write an expression, select the second cell and write another expression. Having the first filter row, you can add more filter rows pressing the same CMD plus F keyboard shortcut. So you will see two or more green filter rows. Each next filter row is added to the result whereas or expression. Where row lets you use a custom filter query. To add this row, choose the Add Where Row item in the contextual menu of the filter icon. After this, write a custom where query and see the result. A recent menu allows you to choose a recent filter query. A favorite menu allows you to save a filter using a specific name to work with them in the future. Filter to SQL command allows you to get in SQL query, which is used by the current filter. You'll be thrown into SQL Editor, which contains a corresponded query. This feature gives you one more way to construct SQL query step-by-step future use in your application code. Other ways are to use Query Editor, generate SQL in Schema Editor,